Alright, hey Scott, it's Lyndon obviously from No Bullshit Trading Coach. What I'm going to run through quickly for you is how to create your page. Now obviously I'm just going to make up some names and everything like that, but you would obviously then use your name. So Terra Rain Landscapes and everything like that. Now because your wife she's a graphic designer from what I can remember, and she did your web page, she should be able to do all the kind of graphics and all the photos that you need to do for this. So basically you log into your normal Facebook page. Like I said, over here you'll normally have pages and everything like that. If not, you can go into here on this side up here and you just go create page. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to create a page. Once again, it has to be a page. It can't be a group, Scott, because if you go for a group you can't then post ads and things like that. So obviously you're a local business or a place. Okay, so you choose a category of what you're in. So obviously we're landscaping or construction. So you just gotta find what suits you now. Where would we be? I'm gonna probably go a professional service then. Or maybe a local business. Local business would probably work. So I'll go local business. For me, I'm just going to make up one of my old names, which was Connect Easy. Or let's say Dunks Landscapes. I actually had that when I was really young. Street address, you put in your street address there. Let's just go with 35. Fucking Rumble. Like, this isn't real, so it doesn't really matter. Rumble, Indiana, that'll do, whatever. I don't know what that is. That's going to be wrong. So, alright, we'll go back and I'll actually put my 32 Peach Orchid Road. Okay, it's not working, so I don't really know. 0403745430. Okay, so apparently you don't have to put in your city, state, or code. So let's just get started. Street address must be completed. Well then, let me fucking put the right thing in. 32 Peach Orchid Road, New South. Alright, there you go, Newcastle, New South Wales. And let's go 2267. Alright, I don't know what happened there, but anyway, so that's done. And you say get started. So add categories, a description in a website to improve your obviously what you are. So categories would be landscaping, irrigation, so maybe water reticulation, let's go irrigation again. Maybe they've got it under sprinklers. So this is where you just go through and figure out where it is in your kind of system. Water, maybe water filtration and treatment. That's probably not right either, but you know. So landscaping is one. And then lawn mowing maybe. No, that's not one either. Maintenance. Oh, you don't really do swimming pool maintenance, do you? But yeah, so just go through that and just find what you're looking for there. So that's, and then you tell your people what your page is about. This is a page showing off all the work I do in the local community of Newcastle. I specialise, so this would be kind of what you write, obviously changing a few things. I specialise in irrigation and brand new homes with an eye for detail. There you go. Then you'd put in your website, so I mean I'll just put in landscaping.com.au. I'll take my caps lock off. And then, okay. So this is the point where you've got to create a username basically. You can only really change this, I think you can only change it once. So when you do this, you need to make sure you get it right. So if you want it to be www.facebook.com Terra Rain landscapes or terrain this or terrain that. You know, you got to make sure you get it right. So this would just be dunks. That's probably what I would have done. Is Dunk Landscape a real establishment, business, or venue? Yep. Will Dunk be authorised the official representation of the establishment? Yes. Okay. Save info. Go to the next bit. Dunks is taken. So yeah, landscaping with I don't really care. Landscaping with Dunk. There you go. That shouldn't be taken. Cool. Then profile picture. Obviously, you go upload from computer. Now, I mean, there's all my no bull stuff here, so I'll just use one of these pictures, I guess. There you go. Fucking just use that one. There you go. Next. So you just add it to favorites, so then it adds to you. Okay, so that doesn't really matter at the moment. So your preferred page audience, this is where you can try and delve into it a little bit more. So that's where you go to Newcastle, like or wherever your area is, obviously. Get it, and then that's where you can push it out 50 miles, bring it in 50 miles. If you have it at 50 miles, yeah, happy days. So there we go. And then the rest are going to come down here, so I'm happy with that. For some reason that's taken a while to load. Let's go back one and see if I can get that going again. Okay, yeah, so like I said, Newcastle, 50 miles, 25 miles will be fine, because this isn't really what I want to do. This is where you pick your age brackets, where you want 25 to 40, in my opinion. Actually, no, because you want to do some renovations as well, so maybe 50. And that's where you do your interests, so your homeowners. Home ownership in Australia. First home buyers grant for sure. First time buyer. Affordable housing can do it. Estate agent sometimes, you know. Property management for sure. You don't really want public housing. Commercial property if you want to get into that a little bit more. So you see what I mean, and then you can even go into maybe if you've got new home sales, that'll help as well. Things like that. So that will get you in front of the target market that you want. Obviously, it's going to be English here, so that's fine. All right, save. All right, this is where you go in and you add a cover photo and all that stuff. So to find the cover photos, the way I do it is I quickly go to Google, find out what size pixels you need, and then create one. But like I said, because your wife's a graphic designer or your partner's a graphic designer, she should be able to do that for you. And then you just simply start loading stuff up. So when you go to a job and you do a really good job, take a photo. Or if you've got a day where you're doing something, take a photo of it before you do it. That's pretty much how you do it. Okay, now if this hasn't helped, mate, obviously send me a quick text and I can do another one for you. But I think that pretty much puts everything that you need to for now in. The other one, I guess, is this button one. You can have a contact us where you put your website in and there's no app, sweet as. Or if you look down here, there's all this book now, call now. So if you do call now, you put your number in, they can call you straight away. Sign up, watch videos, send an email, you know, all that kind of stuff. So that helps you set all that up. And then the best bet is to get a few of your old jobs together and post up like maybe 10 to 15 photos if you can. That puts a lot of substance there, so when people do look, they can see what you can do. That's pretty much how it works, mate. Yeah, if you need anything, let me know, but that's a quick video I've done just for you. Alright, mate. Cheers.